Gets the helicopter, soldier and police and dog with train for sniff out gun and carry them in the community then want to know the gun them there living there for all a week. Carry bulldozer to dig up the yard them, dig up the road them, dig up the bush them, dig up the ceiling them and find the gun. Enough is enough.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Greetings one and all. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Big up all of me, kings and queens, lion and lioness, viewers and subscribers, friends and families, lovers and haters. And there's another plan where we do another boast and brag. Anyone there and nothing but love and prosperity. See, big up on the damn self. Stay safe, walk good. You know what I mean? Think before you act. Think before you talk. So I say, yeah man, your health is your wealth, so please take care of it. Normal viewers and subscribers. You see a video went viral with the legendary Admiral Bailey. So you don't know, you have to play my part and put it on my platform as well because this is so inspiring, informative, good ideas. So I say, and also touching. Zine, yes, you can hear you can hear and feel the emotion in the Admiral Bailey voice. Big up Admiral Bailey, another legend who play a pivotal part in Jamaica culture, reggae music, and dancehall. Zine, yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I'm gonna make on hear theme tragedy of fighting crime in Jamaica, which is on the rise, escalating. Zine, 17 days and how much people got dirt already? Over 70 yard. That's very atrocious. That's so despicable, man. You know what I mean? My viewers and subscribers, it's sad, man. Sad, scary moment. You see me? Scary enough people want to go back home and afraid. But tell you what, we are forward back after the break, you know.
I am crying for peace.
Sick and tired of this crime and violence.
People production.
Boy, lad, me a beg you to stop the crime. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please, put down the guns, stop the back up pipe. I am crying for peace. All you killers, hear my cry. I'm begging you please, put down the guns to watch people die. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying if you're still here. You know what I mean? That visual you just saw. Yes, I'm seeing going to look for job soon. Zine? Yes, man, so I don't know. You can look on feet, crying for peace. So may I say? Yeah, man, now, hear what Mr. Bailey has to say.
The world know who this Admiral Bailey is. See him? Everybody talk about crime plan, everybody talk about crime. I mean, those things are full time now, we say like a piece about crime. You see when I see them that like a 9-year-old there down a country, cut like a boy, but right, me fed up now. Enough is enough. And them talk about crime plan. Me have a little crime plan we want to share with you. Hear my crime plan. You see the man where have the gun and kill a next man with the gun. Hang! Straight hang, no sentencing. But not life and 15 years and then come back a road, come kill another man again. Straight hang. You see the man them where hang! You see the man them where do robbery and them suck there. You give them ear or where you want to give them 15 or them way. You see them the command now, whether the robbery, burglary and something called misdemeanor, them would call it a foreign. You see you hang the man them way and do the serious crime, you carry them man there, go watch them man there hang and watch shit a drop out of them body and piss a drop out of them pants foot. That is an act of deterrent. When a man see them suck there, he don't want them suck there to him. Must start looking to himself. See? That's a one. Two. You see, soldier them wanna put us on like a corner in some community, and the man that want tent. And when night time come, you see all 4 or 5 girls come check them and buy them ready for transfer out of community. Them have 4 or 5 babies there. Take with them cell phone, tie soldier them. So then they put rat patrol and phone there them ears. What kind of crime you fight? Take with all that soldier them phone. You see police them will drive up down in a nice AC unit vehicle them and them window wind up. Take out the AC out of the unit them. And then wind down the window so they can hear when they shut a fire and hear what go on the road, and when people are ball out for help and them a drive past, because the window them wind up and them on the AC. See? Get some helicopter, soldier and police and dog with train for sniff out gun and carry them into the community then. Want to know the gun them there and live in the for all a week. Carry all bulldozer to dig up the yard them, dig up the road them, dig up the bush them, dig up the ceiling them, and find the gun. Enough is enough. And then now, the next one, deputize all lights of firearm. Well, I rope them in. I make them swear and deputize them. Back in the days when I look at that thing named home guard. So you can call say the lights of firearm man them are your home guard. You know what friend me have? We have firearm. And see things that happen, robbery are going, rape are going, killing are going, and just turning head the next way and go about in business. Why? Because when them intervene, when the lights of firearm and them intervene and fire 2 shots, them treated like a them are the criminal. Carry them down a station, investigate them, take with them gun, Indecom come, this year come, everybody come. Yeah, no man have no time for none of them stress and pressure. That is why enough time when crime are going, man they will have license gun we could have intervene, but them turn them head the next way because of themselves for them problem. So if the situation no reach them or them immediate family, then now look. If you deputize them, yeah, and make them know say, listen, we need you to help out the security force to help fight crime. Watch and see how much crime solve and how much crime prevent. Yeah? Then now, the next one now, yeah? Me are telling us make the police them start walk. This bag of drive up and down on the main road start. Drive, walk down in some community. Kick off some boy doors some 4 o'clock a morning time. Yeah? Start kick with some man foot on corner and search them up. Drive fear in them. No fear in them money again. We agree. So them nowadays money come like them on a heart. Yeah? But you have to fight fire with fire. Yeah? Indecom. Am I crime blame that? No. See, Indecom and Jamaica for justice and them people there. Lock them out of existence for 6 months. And clean up the place. Yeah? Lock them out. Bring in a lorry. Lock them down for 6 months. Yeah, them can't come but them and investigate and them this and them and that. Kind of fight fire with fire. Yeah, when the bad man them kill people them and kill this and kill that. Nobody now investigate them until police hold them and hear out them. Right? But as the police them intervene or certain man intervene, when the run come. Yeah? And my crime plan that. And fire national security minister and I do nothing. And the commissioner. Start make back police. We work hard and know the street become back commissioner of police. You can't take man out of the army where sit down on a desk all long and on all road I run and come turn in a commissioner of police. Make the police them, yeah, start govern themselves in terms of a man will work hard in the force and know the ground rules how force run, put him in a commissioner of police. You have deputy or assistant, you have deputy them call them, commissioner all long. And he know say, all the deputy is how much years him going to be deputy. No time at all in now going to be commissioner. What kind of inspiration, what kind of motivation that I give him for work? Eh? When a man knows say, yo, yeah, me a deputy commissioner, I work hard, me I go become commissioner, I work harder. And promote some more man. Man, it might take too long to get promotion. My crime plan that. Yeah?
Okay, my viewers and subscribers. Yes man, big up Mr. Bailey. You see what I say? But me know one thing still, if I agree with the way him say everything are some. Me personally, condolence to the 9-year-old youth, you know, whose throat was, you know already. You see me? Sad, shocking. Them generation, them new generation of them evil. You see me? When Mr. Bailey say about the man them were RAPE, hang. The man them were going with them gruesome murder. Hang. See, man, I do the petty crime. Like the phone grabbing and robbing and purse and, you know. When the man them a get hang, they just bring them and go make them see. Cause them no want to go that way there. That you drive fear make them think twice. I believe that would have work, but I don't feel like them are going to do that. You see me? Let me know if you agree with the hanging business. Because right now Jamaica is out of control. Already the first month, 17th. And how many people gone already? 70 odd? That's very shocking. Disgraceful. You know what I mean? Yes. I mean, I tell the viewers and subscribers, my brothers and sisters, trust me, star. You see me? You know, lion put no wish death up and no one in about. You reap what you sow, you spread the bread, you lie in it. You know what I mean? That's what my mother used to say, you know? And I wish the man could have just stopped the crime, star. But it not gonna happen. You see it? And the next thing again, I'm not a big fan of Indecom. From 2013, me hear the police with my 2 years up. And me have a bar and me drink a 3 mile, you know. And more time the police and I once be a day in that to a drink. And the man them attack, I wasn't part of the conversation, but just cut me ears and I listen. And the man them say them can't get to do them job in peace because of Indecom. Because when them go do them job, rightfully, lawfully, within the law, Indecom come on them case, investigation. You see what I say? The man them with them local license, firearm, the normal daily commuters, them of them business. At the same thing if them intervene, at the same problem, they would all lose all the firearms. So when them see the crime take place, them just turn them eye the next way. Them no more get involved because them can't bother with the hassling and this long process of investigating from Indecom. I think Indecom is a part of the problem why crime has risen over the years. You see me? And that's just my view. You can let me know what you think still. I'm not saying Indecom is bad enough, but because they have police, they've done some good job as well for getting out the dirty cops them who have taken out people wrongfully. But at the same time, you know what I mean? And the next thing Mr. Bailey said that I really agree with. The police them are the force, the good police them, the clean police them. Them now have no hopes of getting any promotion, upgrade in them ranking. So some of them disheartened, the pay where them a get. You see me, the pay where them a get a monkey money, nothing. And then you go put a man when I know nothing about crime in to be the minister of crime or whatever. Put a police when know the streets and know the links and everything and ropes running. You put a man when I know nothing. Remember, say Andre Stevens come talk this and he's around them. He was a part of them in them clique. Mr. Chung don't know nothing about fighting crime. So I put him in. That's the way I say, bro God. I put him in front of them, I give them positions where they don't know or have a clue or are certified in. You see me? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know. I lie for another vlog. I will do it on a post and brag. Big up Admiral Bailey. Yes, man.
Why would I lie? It makes no sense. I've been holding it for many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I even thought of taking my life, cause it seems like no one cares.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.